Hello and welcome to another episode of VR News. And today we have some kind of exciting, kind of makes me nervous sort of announcement from these little VR startups. One of these startups being named Vlugan. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but what they're claiming is to try and release a eye tracking and face tracking module for the Meta Quest 3. It looks pretty. We see eye tracking, face tracking modules for the Valve Index, and I have to say they don't look as pretty as something like this would, with the sort of cutout for the Quest 3's eyes and the beautifully laid out cable and board at the top. I have to say it looks pretty, but this is only a render. And as a matter of fact, we're getting information that this company has only released renders of this product, and we haven't really gotten anything sort of solid that we can work with. I have to say there is some very concerning things about the way that this product is being represented. This product, in fact, was originally supposed to be a partnership between the team at Vlogan and another virtual reality company called Diverse, which sells prescription lenses. And I guess that they thought this was going to be somewhat of a good partnership, I assume, because they have experience in selling accessories for the Quest 3 and eye accessories at that. But then as time goes on, this partnership has ended, with both of the companies saying that they wanted to go in different directions. I'm not saying that this product will never ship or will never get it, but with these sorts of things, I mean, as a community, we talk about a new startup, a new GoFundMe sort of every week, and we just have to be ultra vigilant, if you will, because we don't want to revisit situations like the Deca gear. There's another company called Inzai which promised to ship the Lumi, which is a $160 cameraless eye tracking add-on for the Quest 2 and 3. It doesn't look as beautiful as the alleged new eye tracking from Vlugan, but it's still a product in and of itself. And the last time we heard about that was in September of last year. I know that we as a community really want eye tracking for our Quest 2s, 3s, and 3Ss, but I just don't see any viable option that I can comfortably get behind. I mean, we do have promises from both of these companies that we are going to get eye tracking. Lastly, in other news, Meta removed the app for viewing your achievements on Quest, and I like that they did this. This presents it more as a gaming console than anything else. And of course, we know now that Meta wants to present this device as sort of it's the best way to do everything. So a gaming achievement sort of scoreboard app just really doesn't make sense. I think that there's a lot of unneeded apps on the Meta Quest. Horizon feed can go. Meta Quest TV can go. Events can probably go. Move can probably go. I mean, there's a lot of these ones that can probably just go. And so it's another day in virtual reality news, and click the subscribe button.